Welcome to a new era of web directory creation. Today, we'll introduce you to DirectorAI, a powerful and intuitive tool designed to generate fully functional, SEO-optimized web directories with minimal effort. Let's explore how it works. First, navigate to My Account and either log in or create a new account. It's simple and quick to get started. Here you'll find your unique license code and see the executions you have available. To purchase more executions, head to the shop section and select the package that best fits your needs. Next, download DirectorAI by selecting your operating system. Don't forget to download the base WordPress file as well. For Mac users, unzip the file and move it to your Applications folder for easy access. The program isn't Apple certified and may be flagged due to its tool downloads and commands. It's safe. Use the terminal command. On Windows, simply disable the antivirus before the installation. Open the program. Mac users will need to go to System Preferences, then Security and Privacy. Click Allow anyway if prompted to unblock DirectorAI. Now, let's launch the program. This is the program's interface. Start by going to Settings, entering your license code, and selecting the language for your website and interface. Before generating the directory, specify the location. For this example, let's use Birmingham. To gather real business data, download two required tools, the Scraper and the Go program. Install Go by following the installer's steps. Then, download the Scraper with a single click. Next, choose your text generation method. You can select Ollama, a free tool for running language models locally. Download it by clicking the button. Once downloaded, choose a language model. Click plus in the dropdown, enter the model name, and install it. I recommend Gemma 2 9b, but you can explore other options on the Ollama website. Alternatively, you can use GPT by entering at least one API key from OpenAI. The default model is GPT-4o Mini, known for its excellent output and affordability. You can also pick the primary color for your website. Next, let's configure the directory categories. In web structure, you can edit or add categories. Use the provided structure guidelines. Pluralize categories and use hyphens for subcategories. Save your changes and we're ready to go. Click Generate Directory, choose a save location, and let the process begin. Depending on the number of categories, this could take several hours as the program scrapes data and generates text. You can also generate a blog for free. Set a publication start date for blog articles. Selecting a past date means some articles will already appear published. Default keywords are provided for article generation. Click Generate Keywords to create new ones tailored to your chosen location. Specify the maximum number of articles to publish daily. Click Generate Blog, select a save location, and wait. Categories are automatically assigned to articles. With everything ready, import the files into WordPress. Ensure you've downloaded the custom WordPress file for optimal performance. Access WordPress, install the all-in-one WP migration plugin, and activate it. Go to the plugin, select Import, and upload the custom WordPress file. Click Proceed and Finish. Refresh the page when done. Log in with the provided credentials and remember to update your password. Next, open the WP All Import plugin and select New Import. Upload the web location file and click Create New Pages. Continue and then select the DirectorAI web template. Click Confirm and Run Import and let the process complete. For the blog, repeat the steps, upload the blog location file, and ensure Create New Posts is selected. Continue, choose the DirectorAI blog template, and confirm. Once done, your blog and directory are live. Now, customize your website by adding your logo and favicon. And adjusting header, footer, and color settings. Let's pick a sleek blue. Here's an example of a generated website, a homepage with links to categories and high-quality SEO optimized content. This is a category listing, complete with business details, customer reviews, and frequently asked questions. Parent pages, like health, include anchor clusters linking to subcategories. For example, nutritionists in Birmingham leads to a detailed subcategory page. Each service has its own page, boosting SEO. These pages feature descriptions, ratings, customer reviews, and interlinking with similar services, enhancing navigation and visibility. With DirectorAI, creating web directories has never been easier. The blog publishes articles on a schedule, simulating human activity and boosting SEO. Articles come with headers, H1s, and optimized structures. Every page, blog post, and directory is meticulously SEO optimized with titles, meta descriptions, and internal links. As you've seen, DirectorAI enables effortless creation of web directories that attract clicks and traffic. Visit DirectorAI and start your journey into SEO and monetization today. Thank you for watching.